Guys, this is how the project work. Okay, so once you copy the link, you open your Phantom wallet. This is my Phantom wallet. So you click on this browser. Okay, you paste the link here. You can paste the link here. That you just copy it, paste it here. Then you click on Connect Wallet. You can see it. Connect Wallet. You click Phantom. Then you accept. You can see that it has connected. It's requesting for a referral code. So you copy the referral code, my referral code, and confirm it. You can see it is now registered. All you have to do is to click authorize. Okay, click on authorize to earn your first 1000 points. So you keep on earning 1000 points daily. So keep on authorizing daily. That's all about this project. It's a Solana backup project. Ensure you are consistently claiming your points 1000 every day. So let's see what how many points we'll be able to accumulate before it goes into the mainnet.